Good morning, everyone. Today we have to see this PPT. We have to see the job sequencing with the deadlines using the greedy method. First, we have to see the greedy method. Now we have to see the problem statement on a problem job sequence with the deadlines. Here, greedy method or a greedy approach. This is one of the technique of the solving analysis of the algorithm. This is one of the technique of the greedy method. Here, greedy method we have to getting from a or we have to using for a solution of the optimizing problem. Optimize problem. For example, we have to take in the some. First we have to take in the some A city to we have to traveling the B city. Here we have to take in the some traveling to A to B. Here there are many solutions out there. First solution we have to take in the we have to take in the by walk, or we have to take in the auto, car, train, and bicycle. We have to take in that. Here we have to take in the some constants. We have to take in the some constraint. We have to decide about the which one of the best, which one of the worst. We have to take in the some constraint. We have to take within the journey. We have to 24 hours. We have to reach that one A place to B place. Here we have to take in the some ways solutions. In solutions we have to 2 hours. Sorry, we have to take in the 2 hours to A to B. We have to reach here condition constraint means we have taken the A to B within a 2 hours. We have to move that one. In this way we have to we can't we have to carry with a vac, bicycle, car, auto. This is not a suitable for. We have to constrain. We have to suitable for a train or a flight. This is of the suitable fashion. In which way we have to solution is satisfy that given problem. We have to take in the some constraints. We have to type of the solution become the feasible solutions. This order we have to take in the feasible solutions. Okay, these feasible solutions may be have a minimization problem or a so minimization problems we have to take in. Here in this way we have to take in the some journey in a shortest time. We have to reach that one, so it is a optimization. Here in this problem we have to take in the minimum or a maximum. We have to take in that one. This is one of the optimization. Okay, here greedy method we have to solving the optimization problem. Here mean schema is we have to follow the optimization problem. Here greedy method we have to solving the problem should be solving with a stages way. We have to solving that one. Each stage we have to take in the one input. That input from a given problem, that input is a feasible. We have to including all the feasible inputs. We have to getting some optimal solution. This is of the so we have to stage. We have to will each time we have to pick up only one input. We have to solving that one. This is one of the feasible greedy method. We have to solving the day. We have to selecting the number of solutions. We have to find out the one best solution for me basing upon the some constraints coming upon the given problem. Here we have to see that the job sequencing with the deadlines. Here job sequencing with the deadlines having, we have to see that one. First of all we have to see the problem statement. Here we have to take in the number of problems. Here number of problems, number of jobs. We have to take in the number of jobs. This number of jobs having a profits with the deadline. We have to take in the job. We have to take in the n jobs. We have to take in the job. We have to each job we have to take in the I, and we have to take in the deadlines. We have to take in the I, and the profits we have to take in the pi. Here we have to find out the main. We have to find out the sequence of the jobs which is a completing with a deadline, and it is a should be have to having a getting with a maximum profit. This is a main problem statement of the job sequence. Again we have to repeat that one. Here problem statement is number of here we have to consider in the number of jobs n. Each job having we have to representing the I. with the help of the profit and the deadlines, and we have to give in one. Here we have to find a sequence of the jobs which we have to completing with a. Here main goal what are the find out. Here we have to take in the sequence of the job we have to with the completing within a deadline. We have to should be getting with the maximum profits. This is the main goal of the job sequencing with the deadline. We have to see that the one example here. Here we have to take in the n jobs, and each job having a some association with the deadlines and a profits. We have to, and each job is completing with a deadlines with a maximum profit. We have to assuming that the I is a, we have to take in the job, and we have to take in the deadline, we have to take in the di, and we have to take in the profit is pi. Okay, this is one of the issue. Here greedy method we have to solving the, we have to getting the optimal solution of the number of the feasible solutions. Okay, this is one of the greedy method. We have to see the one example. In this example we have to find out the optimal solution of the following job sequence. Here we have to take in the n is equal to 4, and profits is a 25, 45, 16, 60, and d1, d2, d4, and d4. We have to take in the deadlines of the 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, first of all we have to solving that arranging the profits in a descending order. In this way we have to descend profit p1 and p2, p3, and we have to take in the descending order. Here maximum profit is we have to get in the p4, and next p2, next p1, and next p3. This way we have to take 16, 45, 25, 16. Okay, this is of the arranging of the profit in a descending order. And the deadline we have to, in this way we have to deadline, we have to arranging that one. Now we have to solving that problem. Here we have to take in the one table format. First job, slot, assigning slots, selecting job, action, and profit. Here job we have to initially we have to take in the empty brace. Okay, here we have to initially there is no slot here, so it you have to take in the none. And first of all we have to initially we have to take in the job 4. Why? Because here 4 is a profit, 4 is a 16. Can here taking the maximum. Why? Because we have to take in the profits, so it is a job 4 is in getting the 16. So we have to initially fasting we have to selecting the j4, means we have to give in the slot value 1 to 2 slot, and profit is a 16, and it is a 16 job 4 is a, we have to adding the job 4, and we have to assigning the slot is a 1 to 2. Next, here a number of the slots are there. Here we have to 3 deadlines. We have to take in the 3 slots. We have to maximum we have to getting the maximum profit. Next we have to take in the job 2. Next profit is a 45. Here selecting is in j2, and assigning the slot is in, we have to that job 2 deadline is in here. Job 2 deadline is 2, means we have to take in the second slot. Here we have to take in the job 4 deadline, we have to see second slot, means it only have one slot, first slot and second slot is available. So we have to job 4 we have to give the 1 to 2, and job 4 when next selection we have to take in j2 is having a 2 slots, means we have to only one slot is empty, so we have to give the first slot. Okay, 0 to 1 we have to give that one, and assign the slot is a 0 to 1 slot. Here we have to profit is a 16 plus this job 2 profit is a 45. 60 plus 45 105. Next one we have to take in the this j1 and j4 j2. Okay, j4 and j4 and j2. Next one we have to selecting the job is next profit is a p1, means j1 deadline is a 3, means we have to give the third slot. Assigning the slot is a 2 to 3, this is a 1, and profit is a 105 plus this profit is a job 3 profit is a job 1 profit is a 25. 105 plus 25 113. This is the slotting. Okay, we have to job having a job 4 job 2 job 1, means we have to enter of the slotting. In this way slotting is a J2, J4, J1. This is the job sequencing. Okay, optimal solution is a J4, J2, J1 with a process of sequence is a J2, J4, J1 with is a maximum profit is a 130. This is a job sequencing with by using of the greedy method. First of all, we have to take in the see that the how many deadlines are there. We have to take in the 3 slots. In 3 slots, we have to get in the maximum profit. So we have to returning the profit in descending order. In descending order, we have to fill in that one. First of all, we have to see the deadline. Next, we have to arranging the descending order. We have to following this table. We have to getting the optimal solution with the job sequence. This is the job sequence with the deadline. Thank you everyone.